How to save your file from Canva. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can save up the file from Canva into a device or download it. So let's just get started with the video and see how to do that. So if you want to download a Canva presentation or your designs after you have edited it out and done everything you want for the project from your Canva, it is a very simple step in order to download it onto your device. So once you find this interface on the top, you can find the share icon. You can just go ahead and click on it. And in here, you can find this options where you can give access to the people. And also you can also add the collaboration link if you want. So in the bottom, you can find this download option. You can use this option in order to download it. And before that, you can select up your file size. Go ahead and select up the file size. I am choosing PDF standard, which is an easy method in order to download it. You can also choose that if you want. After that, you can include these options as well. You can just check mark if you want those options available. After that, click on download and it will start downloading onto your device. So you just need to wait for some seconds. It is a very quick process depending upon the file size. And at the top, it will start downloading. You will be finding it right here when it downloads. You can just go ahead and open up this file. After that, you'll be finding it right under your file manager. So you can just go ahead and click on it if you want to open it up onto your device, and that is it. So that is how you download the file into your device from your Canva. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.